Okay, so here is our first problem. It's just a simple addition problem, and there will be no numbers that carry over or anything like that. So what the students do first is they look at the number 45, and they draw blocks to represent that. So they have blocks that they use in class called base 10 blocks, and we don't have any hundreds in this problem, but 100 just looks like a big square. That represents 100. And tens, we call them 10 rods. They just look like little sticks. So 1, 2, 3, 4 10 rods. And then we have 5 ones in the number 45. So we're going to do 5 dots to represent the 5 ones. Then when we're adding, all we do is we draw the blocks for the second number. So for 32, we're going to draw 3 tens. 1, 2, 3. And then 2 ones. 1, 2. And then we simply add up how many of each that we have. So we have 7 ones, so we're going to go ahead and write a 7 in our ones place. And in the tens place, we also have 7, so we're going to write a 7 there. It's really important for the students to make sure their numbers are lined up with what place they're supposed to be in. Otherwise, they start to get a little bit confused. So let me erase this and give you a problem that does have some regrouping. So for instance, we could do 56 plus 28. So same thing, we would draw those blocks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tens, 6 ones, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Same thing for the next number. 2 tens, 1, 2. And 8 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And there's no real pattern that they need to have or anything like that. So we're going to add them up. That's when we realize that we have 14 ones. And we can't have more than one digit in any place. So we're going to have to regroup those. So we take 10 of these because it takes 10 of them to exchange it out for a 10 rod. So we'll count out 10. We'll circle those 10, 3, 6, 9, 10. We're going to mark them out, and we're going to make that a 10. Now we have 4 ones left over, and when we count up our tens, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, and the same is true of any place. You would do the same thing if you had more than 10 tens. You would take 10 of them and trade it out for a 100 block.